Introduction. Warren Buffett, one of the world's most successful investors, is known for his frugal lifestyle, despite being one of the wealthiest individuals. His approach to wealth accumulation combines astute investing with disciplined spending habits. Here are some of his strategies. 1. Minimalist lifestyle. Buffett lives in the same modest house in Omaha, Nebraska, that he bought in 1958. He believes in living within his means and avoiding excessive spending on material possessions. By keeping his lifestyle simple, he's able to focus on investments that generate wealth over the long term. 2. Value investing. Buffett's investment philosophy revolves around value investing, which involves buying undervalued stocks of companies with strong fundamentals. He looks for businesses with durable competitive advantages, competent management, and attractive growth prospects. By investing in solid companies at discounted prices, Buffett has achieved remarkable returns over the years. 3. Avoiding debt. Buffett advises against taking on unnecessary debt, especially for consumer purchases. He believes in paying cash for everything, from cars to houses, to avoid the burden of interest payments. By staying debt-free, he ensures that his investments are not encumbered by liabilities, allowing for greater flexibility and security. 4. Patience and long-term thinking. Buffett advocates for patience and a long-term perspective when it comes to investing. He's known for holding on to investments for decades, allowing them to compound over time. By Tabor, avoiding the temptation to constantly buy and sell based on short-term market fluctuations, Buffett minimizes transaction costs and maximizes returns. 5. Focus on intrinsic value. Buffett focuses on the intrinsic value of businesses rather than short-term price movements. He conducts thorough analysis to determine the true worth of a company, considering factors such as cash flow, earnings potential, and competitive position. By investing in businesses with strong intrinsic value, Buffett can weather market volatility and achieve consistent returns over time. Conclusion. Warren Buffett's frugal strategies emphasize living modestly, investing wisely, and avoiding debt. By adhering to these principles, he has not only amassed a vast fortune, but also maintained financial security and peace of mind. While his approach may not be flashy, it has stood the test of time and serves as a valuable lesson for investors seeking long-term success.